So with this problem, we want to find three consecutive integers such that the sum of the smallest and largest is 25 more than the middle number. And this is pretty much the same problem as the last one with a couple of little differences. So first, we're no longer looking for three consecutive odd integers. Now we have three consecutive integers. And remember from the last assignment that consecutive integers are integers that are 1 unit apart on the number line. So 13, 14, 15, 26, 27, 28, those are consecutive integers. So now, if x is going to be our first integer, then our second integer is x plus 1, and our third integer is x plus 2. Now you may decide that this is the naming system that you want to use, first, second, and third, but when I look at this problem I see smallest, middle, and largest, so it might make more sense to change the way that you are naming your integers to reflect more what the problem says. Once we have our assignment of variables, we need to write an equation. And once again, we can look up after the such that, we see that the sum of the smallest and largest is 25 more than the middle number. Well, this is going to look a lot like the last one. We have sum, so that's going to be the smallest plus the largest is our equal sign, 25 more than, that's going to be adding, right? 25 more than the middle number. And so using our variables, the smallest plus the largest is equal to 25 more than the middle number. Right? We want to make sure we took the time to think our way through our assignment of variables, so we want to make sure that our equation represents those variables the same way. It's pretty common, people get into that idea of consecutive odd or consecutive even, and no matter how they name their variables, then they change their representation for the equation. And as we look at this, we have 2x plus 2 on the left-hand side, x plus 26 on the right-hand side. Once again, I want to keep that coefficient positive, so I'm going to go ahead and subtract x from both sides and subtract 2 from both sides, and I get my value, x equals 24. The three integers are 24, 25, 26, and I need to make sure that I check that they are consecutive. And now, is the sum of the smallest plus the largest, is that equal to 25 more than the middle number? And as we look at this, yep, 50 equals 50,